Hello everyone. Recently I made a tofu at home. If you want to know how to make a tofu at home, just check this video out. The final product for making tofu is the solid square tofu. During the process, you can have soft tofu, which looks like a snowflake. It is very soft and tender, so which is called like a sundubu. The sundubu is a very nice food for just eating, and it's a really good ingredient for our stew or soup. So today I'm going to make a sundubu찌개 with kimchi. Tofu is very plain and it doesn't have any kind of a strong flavor. But if I add strong kimchi, there will be a balance between softer tofu and very strong flavored kimchi. This makes a good harmony with each other. It's really good friends for your steamed rice. Wanna make a Korean style sundubu찌개, kimchi soft tofu stew? Now let's go for it. Ingredients are very simple. Kimchi, soft tofu, radish, onion, and spring onion. To make a kimchi soft tofu stew, the first step is to make a stock. Anchovy stock is all-round stock because you can use this anchovy stock for any kind of Korean style stew and soup. Making anchovy stock is very simple. In plain water, you pour anchovy, shiitake mushroom, and kelp, and some other vegetables you like, and boil for around 20 to 30 minutes, and you can make a very nice anchovy stock. So for today's soft tofu stew, I'm going to use anchovy stock. But if you are too busy to make anchovy stock, you can use the chicken stock, the cube style, or you can use just the soy sauce. For today's anchovy stock, I'm going to add just the anchovy, kelp, and shiitake mushroom. In the meantime, I'm going to cut my ingredients into bite size. First, I'm going to cut my radish. And I need to slice onion. Please don't look at my hairy hands. Chop spring onion for garnish. Finally, I'm going to cut this beautiful kimchi. Cut the stem out and first make a vertical cut like this. And cut into 3 to 4 centimeters. Kimchi is ready now. When you finish boiling stock, turn it off and skim the ingredients from the stock. Now I have a very clear stock like this. Anchovy stock is really nice. So I'm not gonna use most of the ingredients, but this mushroom I'm going to use for my stew because I love this texture. So for this shiitake mushroom, I'm going to cut in half and get rid of the stem. This is too chewy, I'm going to throw it away. Then slice mushroom like this. I'm going to use this when I make the stew. Now I'm going to start with the kimchi. First turn the heat on, pour a little bit of oil. Now I'm going to fry my kimchi. I fry this kimchi to maintain its crispy texture. And add onion too. Fry until the onions are translucent. Fry kimchi and onion for about 5 minutes. Now you can pour your stock. This is almost like a kimchi-jjigae, the kimchi soup. And now I'm going to pour the soft tofu, sundubu. And softness and tofu will give a great match with the strong kimchi here. And boil. And you can put the radish together. Stir. Now all you need to do is to boil this stew for more than 10 minutes. Now our kimchi soft tofu stew is almost done. I'm gonna taste it. If you think you need some more sauce or saltiness, you can add just 1 more teaspoon of soy sauce. This one is okay, but I'm going to add just a little more of soy sauce to make it yummier. Much better. Slice the mushroom And for the balance of color and for a little sweetness, I'm going to add the spring onion. Just sprinkle. Okay, now our kimchi soft tofu stew is finished. Mmm.